beautiful souls. It's your girl, Aurora, and let's talk about wedding guests' top complaints. We all know the magic of a perfect wedding day hinges on the happiness of the couple and their beloved guests. Remember, your loved ones are there to celebrate you. So how do we ensure everyone leaves with smiles and warm hearts? By sidestepping those common wedding woes that can turn a celebration into a snooze fest. Get ready to take notes, darlings, because we're about to dive into the top wedding guest complaints and how you can avoid them. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a single tip on creating the wedding of your dreams. Sweethearts, uncomfortable seating is a recipe for disaster. Imagine your guests fidgeting, shifting, and longing for the comfort of their own couches, not the vibe we're going for, right? Consider your seating arrangement carefully, ensuring ample legroom and comfy chairs. Let's be real, darlings, a wedding feast is a highlight for many. Grumbling tummies and stingy portions, a big no-no. Ensure there's enough delicious food to satisfy everyone's appetites. Trust me, a well-fed guest is a happy guest. Time is precious, my dears, especially on a day as special as a wedding. Long waiting periods between the ceremony, reception, or even meals can kill the joyous mood. Keep things flowing smoothly to ensure your guests remain engaged and entertained. Let's face it, loves, no one wants to attend a snooze fest. Inject your wedding with music, dancing, or fun activities to keep the energy high. A lively atmosphere makes all the difference. Your wedding venue sets the stage, my dears. A cramped, poorly laid out space can cramp your guest's style. Choose a venue that allows for easy flow and interaction, ensuring everyone feels comfortable and welcome. While well-wishes are lovely, endless speeches can test even the most patient soul. Encourage heartfelt, yet concise speeches that won't have guests checking their watches. Remember, my loves, every guest is special and deserves to feel seen. Accommodate dietary restrictions, ensure accessibility for those with disabilities, and be mindful of individual needs. No one wants to melt in the summer heat or shiver in the winter chill. Ensure your venue has proper climate control so guests can relax and enjoy themselves without discomfort. Music sets the mood, but deafening noise can be a major turn-off. Strike a balance between a lively atmosphere and a comfortable sound level that allows for conversation and enjoyment. Don't leave your guests guessing, darlings. Clear instructions, signage, and a well-organized timeline prevent confusion and ensure everyone knows where to be and when. A well-stocked bar is essential for a celebratory atmosphere. Ensure there are enough beverages to quench everyone's thirst, offering a variety of options to cater to different tastes. A chaotic wedding day can leave everyone feeling frazzled. A well-planned timeline and organized flow will ensure a stress-free and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. There you have it, my loves. By addressing these common wedding guest complaints, you're well on your way to creating a truly unforgettable celebration. Remember, it's the little things that make all the difference. By prioritizing your guests' comfort, enjoyment, and overall experience, you're creating memories that will last a lifetime. Now go out there and plan the wedding of your dreams. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on creating a magical life.